gentlemen, thank you for this opportunity and able to meet you here and give a short and interesting speech about the information of English in the current area. As we all know, language is an important tool of communication. It's not only a means to express idea and opinion, but it help friendship, cultural relation, and also business. A language from the way people perceive the world, and it also define culture of any society. To certain people, learning of language will certainly help to develop our confidence and also personality. It a unique entry to create better understanding of culture. Nowadays, English is becoming more and more instantaneous. Uh, Younger generation even speak English fluently because one only but also for day to day. Younger generation even speak English. They have learned this English since elementary school. Language of communication, business and education, entertainment, technology and many more. Then from this pictorial language has become inevitable recruitment for a number of work field profession. The world of today need learn English because of the following reason. One, internet. With growth information technology of the world today, English has become common language of internet user. Besides that, it become the official language of the internet. This technology has opened up many new career opportunities for world citizens outside of their respective country. Nowadays, internet has played important role to promote the English language throughout the globe. More and more people now exposed to the English language. To education. Most the educational resource material and book new available in English, not to mention to the global educational system in the university around the world have the recruitment of English language young people who who learning and understanding inability to speak this language makes anyone to be influenced in today world education. 3. Communication. The important function of a language is to communicate briefly with many people. Therefore, English language serve important function for citizen the world as this language has become the common language globally understood and absolutely be nearly everyone. Business. English language has become of international business in nowadays. In order of communicate of to communicate with business people. from other country. English language has been effectively used. It's also known as trading language of business world today in many ways. That is all of for today. Thank you for attention. I wish a very good for us. Thank you.